say goodbye to the good people? Because, you know, we don't want to bore them. Well, I know that they might like to say hello to you and really, really, Dolly. She's waiting for me to tell her off. Really. I could have said really earlier and stopped her. She's going to see how far you went with that, Dolly. Really? Yeah. You don't. So she's backpedaling now. She knows that that's just not on, that sound. What do? We use our inside voice, Dolly. Yes, our inside voice. Don't make sounds like that. People will think, what the heck? Hey, Dolly. We don't want you to get a sore throat from screaming out silly stuff.